What is up, you guys? It is me, your favorite girl, Stephanie Shanell, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, today's video is basically it's a little haul. So I tried to film this video once before. It didn't go well, so we're doing it again. Basically, I ran a sale for Black Friday. If you shopped the Black Friday sale that led into Cyber Monday, shout out to you. Thank you so very much. I truly appreciate you guys for shopping, and I hope that you love your goodies. So I ran my sale. It went well, so I decided to treat myself. There has been a fragrance that I don't have any tester strips. Anyways, y'all, let's for real get into this video. All right, so today's video is going to be like a little haul. It was an unboxing, right? But I purchased something for myself because it was like a pat on the back, job well done. That's how I'm justifying this purchase, right? Okay, so the product that I purchased for myself is none other than Kilian's Angel Share. I know. I didn't go crazy. The sample, well, the travel size is $50, y'all. And at first I was like, $50? Are y'all for real? But at the end of the day, going to Sephora, like, there's a whole lot of perfumes that you can get for like almost 40 bucks. And I don't understand why in the world would I pay $40 for a travel size? Like, why am I paying that much? But it was a job well done. I was patting myself on the back, and rather than paying almost $300 for a bottle, I decided to go and get the $50 version. Okay. I have the dupe for this. So I had a perfume oil from Fragrant Body Oils, and I don't know if I ever showed it to you guys, but it was like the little dram size. I had that. Phenomenal. Absolutely 110% loved that down. After that, I picked up Nocturnal Life from Zara. Actually, before Nocturnal Life, I picked up Sand, Desert, and Sunset. It's in the men's section of Zara. And although the two of them smell very similar, they do have the same kind of DNA as Angel Share. Sand, Desert, and Sunset, it's in the men's section. It's a cologne. It lasts longer, and it just smells a little closer to what I believe Angel Share smells like. It has that more refined kind of feel to it. Whereas Nocturnal Life, which I'm not knocking because I do have that, and y'all, I have been loving it down, okay? That is my baby. I actually wore that scent for Thanksgiving, and I paired it with Champagne Apple and Honey and Eden Juicy Apple. You could tell me absolutely nothing. But how do I know that? Because I didn't know that at first. I smelled the oils. I've smelled all these different dupes and, inspired by scents, but I never actually smelled the real thing. And I never actually understood what people were talking about when they were just like, once you get the original, it's just not the same. And I am sorry to tell you, I am so sorry to tell you that the girls that said that were right. I am no perfume snob, okay? I will go to the dollar store, and if a fragrance smells good, baby, give me all of them. I'm that girl, okay? If it smells good, I want it. If it's from the dollar store and it doesn't last, guess what? That's why I'm buying 5. Because I know that I'm going to have to spray one whole bottle in one day for people to constantly smell me. Fine. I don't care, okay? Once it smells good, give that to me. Like, I'm gonna wear it. However, when it comes down to this here Angel Share by Kilian, baby, I'm a snob. Because this is good, okay? So we're going to go in. Let's get into the notes. Although I'm sure all of you know the notes to Angel Share. You probably know everything about Angel Share. But let me just talk to you about the notes. So the notes are cognac, cinnamon, tonka bean. Okay, so first of all, the notes at the top are cognac. Okay? The middle notes are cinnamon, tonka bean, oak, and hedion. And then the base notes are vanilla, praline, sandalwood, and candied almond. Why do we keep getting apple pie? There's no pie note. There's no apple note. I'm still not sure where the apple comes from. Apparently cognac is made from grapes. Baby, I don't know. But apparently cognac is made from grapes. It's not, in fact, made from apples. So why do we keep getting apple? I have absolutely no idea. There is, I don't want to spray it on me because I'm going to just spray it in the box. There is oh my gosh. There is something so delicious about this fragrance. And I wish I knew how to explain it. It's so well blended. It's so creamy, like it's smooth. It's not really creamy, but it is smooth. And when I tell you this scent lasts forever on your skin, on your clothes, I wish I had this for Thanksgiving. But Nocturnal Life did her thing. But baby, if I had this, I don't know what to say. This is giving class. This is giving sophistication. This is giving, I spent money on this bottle, okay? But the last thing that I got was this deluxe sample size, and this was just gifted to me when you sign up for Kilian's website, when you sign up for like their newsletter or their text messages or something, they give you a code and you can get a free deluxe sample. This is 7.5 mLs. And let's take it out. Looks like this, y'all. I'm loving this. Like, this is huge. I can actually get a lot of use out of this because the fragrance that's in this vial is wow. Okay, so this is Good Girl Gone Bad by Kilian. Oh, that was about to be crazy. Good Girl Gone Bad. So let me quickly pull up the notes and then we are going to talk about this here fragrance because we're just going to talk about it, all right? The top notes are osmanthus, peach, neroli, bergamot, mandarin, and cinnamon. The middle notes are Indian tuberose, jasmine, narcissus, may rose. And the base notes are amber, cedar, vetiver, sandalwood, and patchouli. So when I first got this fragrance, I sprayed it on here 3 days ago, which is when I tried to film this video. 3 days ago. I can still smell it on here. But I'm still in the dry down, so I'm going to spray it again on here. Kilian, the atomizer. She's giving. So I've seen a lot of girlies on TikTok and mostly TikTok. And on TikTok, I do not trust them girlies. Now, some of them I will trust. But I can't trust all of them because if you know, you know. Okay? So I was seeing a lot of the girlies on TikTok comparing this scent, Good Girl Gone Bad, to it's a Middle Eastern fragrance. Why can I not think of the name? Kismet for women. Now, I'm still very much so interested in getting my nose on that because if I can find a good dupe for her, I will get it because I, for one, am a fan of this. But this is not a scent that I can imagine someone just spraying and being like, I love this. This smells so good from first spray. Because that first sniff, you definitely get green and you get a really, can you say heady tuberose? Like, you know that it's tuberose. I have a thing with tuberose. This is not that My Way bubblegummy tuberose. This is, if tuberose can be indolic, it is that. Like, this is very, I can dare say, pungent tuberose. It is very much so in your face. It is very loud. It has a earthiness to it. There's also like this spiciness that kind of comes off of it. It is a very distinct tuberose note. This is more so the tuberose that's in like Tuberose Noir from Zara. It's that kind of tuberose. I believe that Rouge Malachite has that as well from Armani, the Armani Privé line. I think it's from the Privé line and it's called Rouge Malachite, I think. I think. It has that same type of tuberose. It's spicy and it is very kind of earthy, not bubblegummy at all. At the first blast, it smells very dated. It smells very white floral heavy, but as it begins to dry down, it smells very bright and like sunny to me. It smells warm. That's what I'm getting from this fragrance. It's giving off kind of like a sunny, floral, fresh, clean, slightly fruity. Like that peach is slightly turning this with a little sweetness. But it's more so just a floral, but it gives it like a, it's not, I want to say tropical because that's the only way that I really can think of explaining it, but not tropical, like a tropical floral, rather than saying a tropical scent profile, because it's not sweet, but there's something about the floral that's in here, or the construction of the fragrance, where though there's tuberose, though there's jasmine and osmanthus and patchouli and whatever else, there is something in here that is giving it this sunny type of fresh outside type of scent, which smells really, really, really pretty to me. You have to let this settle down. On skin, it smells way better. I wore this one spray on my hand, and you guys, it was smelled. I went to go pick up my daughter, and the lady at the front desk was like, "Oh, wow, that's really pretty. What's that?" Well, I told her, and she looked it up, and she said, "And guess where it can stay?" I said, "Girl, I know." It was a sample. I got it for free because the price tag is price tagging, okay? But this is beautiful. I'm obsessed with this scent. And did I mention that it lasts forever? Because it was on this tester strip after 3 days and it was still holding up strong. I just wanted to refresh my nose, which is why I sprayed it again. And I also wanted to get a reminder of the opening, but this is so beautiful. This is hands down a clean girl, pretty girl scent. Like, I can imagine a really pristine, like clean girl smelling like this. I can imagine Lisa Ray smelling like this, her and all her white wearing self, okay? I love you all so very much. Thank you for rocking out with me and my nonsense. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, drop your comments down below, smash the subscribe button, and while you're at it, click this notification bell. That way you never miss another video from me, your favorite girl, Stephanie Shanell. And I'll see you in another one.